Good morning, sunshines. So,
Hey,
say good morning.
Good morning.
So, I have a job interview today. Yay! I have a job interview, and I have to go find a school for this boy. And so, there's nothing in there.
Hi guys. I know I've been missing for about a week. I just been home, just not doing anything. But I figured since I'm gonna clean my stove, I'll just do a video to show you guys how I clean my stove and my my fan, my hood. So what I use is Easy Off. It's an oven cleaner, but I use it for the top of my stove. And I let it sit for like 5 minutes, and then I take an SOS, one of these pads, and I just wet it with water.
Oh, this is what my stove looks like after I clean it. Not bad. What are we doing today? What are we doing today? Do I bother you? Yeah? I'm bothering you? No? What's the matter? That's it? You don't want to do anything else? We gotta get dressed because we gotta go. So we gotta go! So see you later.
I want present.
Say bye. You have to say bye.
Bye.
What are you talking about?
My video.
What video?
The hair video.
Oh, you're talking about when we did the video, talking about your hair thing?
Yeah, that was awesome.
So?
So what?
I said so. So?
Ew.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Picking out the hair in the trash.
You missed a couple.
Miss Couple? What? I know that. I'm trying to get a knot out there. Daddy, can you do this? My shoelace on. You had too many knots in your hair. Daddy, can you try to get them out? Okay, now you could do your hair.
I've been doing laundry for 4 days. 4 days straight I've been doing laundry, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do when laundry is backed up. So I've been doing laundry 4 days straight, so this is what it looks like.
Taking pictures of my hearts.
You are? So we are here filling out on Valentine's cards, and I have three kids in elementary school, and I don't know about anyone, but this is a lot of work.
Hi.
The twins are in the same class. So they have a total of 20 kids. They have a total of 20 kids in their class. So that's 40 times.
Sure.
40 times. That's 40 little cards that I'm having to write up. And then Destiny had 15.
16, including my teacher.
Including your teacher. So I had to write them up. And luckily for her, she was able to do her own, like put her own sticker on. With my boys, they're not so patient, so I have to do.
I'm just gonna put this down. Yes, 16.
Let me show y'all what I'm doing. So, this is what I'm doing. Now I have to take these stickers and put them on these candies.
Where did you take it from?
Ileana have her box over there that she's doing.
Done.
It's finished, and then she has her cards and stuff that she made. Woohoo!
I'm
Right?
doing something.
Right?
Now I have to write them down and then give them out.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Jaxson over there just eating candy this late at night. Who gave you candy? Who gave him candy?
Destiny.
Destiny gave you candy this late at night. Destiny, you gonna give him candy?
Yeah.
Destiny, he don't need candy this late at night.
Okay.
Actually, put the candies away.
Okay.
Gia, no more.
No more of that.
Yeah, no more candy. I didn't even see you guys doing that. What other one? It's mixing the page?
No, you're supposed to leave it on your desk so other people can read it.
Hey, who turned off the light?
Miss Carrie.
I didn't even see them eating candy this late. But I have to finish up. Oh, today was my first day back to the gym. I am so sore. But I have a trainer that I'm meeting with tomorrow. Cause you get a free 1-hour session with a trainer. So
Where's Jackson going?
Being that I was pregnant in December, the hormones really messed up my my weight. Like I gained a ridiculous amount of weight in that little span of time. So now I have to lose that weight and get back to what I was doing before I got pregnant, which was
I don't need that one.
I was doing a lot of weights. I was doing a lot of weight training and stuff like that. So I have to get back to that. I'm kind of like disappointed in myself that I stopped, and I shouldn't have stopped, but at the same time the pregnancy was going rough, so I didn't want to, I didn't want to jeopardize anything. But since we've decided to put off baby number 5, I figured it's time for me to get back in the gym and finish training and get rid of this weight like I had already planned. So
Can I get this? Hold it.
you want to tell the Sunshines anything while we've been MIA for so long? Come
what
over.
What does that say?
Oh. But I'm sorry I've been gone so long, guys. It's just that it's been kind of hard lately. Like, I didn't know where I was going. Anyways, this is just an update. I will try to do like a vlog tomorrow. The only thing I have to do is go to the gym. That's about it. But I'm gonna go finish up these. Oh, I forgot that I told you guys I was gonna show you how I do these. So what I'm doing is very boring. No one really wants to know. So you just take the sticker and place it on the candy. So this is the sticker. You just place it on the candy and wrap it over.
And then you have to put
candy. That's all I'm doing tonight. Valentine cards for the children.
Since Jaxson said he wants something.
Well, my husband has to go and do the CDL, the actual test tomorrow. So we shall see if he passes. That's going to be fun.
And if he passes, he's giving me $1.
Yeah.
To buy him a shirt.
Really?
Yes, really.
What are you doing?
Trying to make a Valentine card for Jaxson.
Oh, for Jaxson? You're so sweet. You're such a thoughtful sister.
I need scissors now. I did have the scissors. No, I didn't bring the scissors.
Bye, guys.